Have you ever been lured by the promise of glowing skin and luxurious body oils only to be overwhelmed by the fragrance? Well, in the world of essential oils, it is vast and tempting, but navigating essential oils requires some savviness. So in today's video, we're going to dive into the crucial difference between food and fragrance oils and why DIYing your own skincare with essential oils can be a game changer for your health and your wallet. In today's world, with technology advancing at an unprecedented rate, it is essential to question why our own healthcare system is not fully harnessing these advancements to help us reach our full potential. That's where my approach comes in. By integrating traditional wisdom with modern healing modalities, I believe we can create a healthcare system that truly supports us on our journey towards holistic wellness. Not all essential oils are created equal, and when it comes to your skin, the stakes are high. Food-grade essential oils are extracted from pure plant matter through a gentle process called steam distillation. This process preserves their therapeutic properties and natural chemical compounds. These oils become so potent that they can actually be ingested when they are diluted because they are food grade. Now, fragrance oils, on the other hand, are often synthetic concoctions and sometimes containing harsh chemicals and irritants. Their primary purpose is to provide a beautiful, fragrant scent that tantalizes the limbic system. But they lack the therapeutic qualities of their food-grade counterpart because using these oils on your skin can lead to allergic reactions, dryness, and even essential oil burns. Now the DIY advantage is that you're saving money and skin. Forget overpriced, chemical-laden commercial products. Make your own skincare with food-grade essential oils. It is not only budget-friendly, but it also allows you to customize your concoctions for your unique needs. Plus, you're bypassing the harmful ingredients and ensuring the highest quality for your skin. Now, in the show notes, I have included some of my most favorite recipes that I use, especially when I'm getting ready to travel. Now, these recipes have saved me so much money and so much time, and I believe that because I use essential oils in my products and using food grade products, my skin has improved because your skin is your largest organ, and anything that you put on it, your body absorbs, which means that anything you put on your skin, it gets into your blood system in a very short period of time. So check out those show notes. And also I've left you a link of where I get my certified pure therapeutic grade essential oils that are food grade. And this is the most reliable source when it comes to buying essential oils. Now, with a little more research and experimentation, you can create personalized skincare solutions that are affordable, effective, and most importantly, gentle on your skin. Always dilute your essential oils before applying them topically. You can even do a patch test or consult someone like myself, a healthcare provider who is versed in essential oils. Some essential oils that I use on a regular basis are lavender, because it's really great for sleep and relaxation. Lemon, great for immune support and mood. Peppermint cools the body and headaches and aids in digestion. Frankincense, which is excellent for well-being and emotions. Tea tree oil, which is an antimicrobial and helps with blemishes and cuts. Copaiba, which is soothing and also an anti-inflammatory and helps with joints, aches, and pains. And things like clove, which is good for dental health and pain relief. Helichrysum, which really helps support inflammation, and grapefruit, which is great for weight management and can be added to a glass of water. Ginger is also a great oil that helps relieve digestive symptoms and feeling of stuck energy in your stomach. And cedarwood, which really helps with focus and sleep. It's a very grounding oil. Bergamot, which is great for stress relief and skin health, as well as rosemary, which is really great for hair growth, stimulating hair follicles, and also stimulating memory. Coriander, which is a calming and cleansing oil, good for digestion as well. And juniper berry, which is detoxifying and cleansing and also helps support our kidney functions and urinary tract. Thanks for joining me on today's video. I hope you liked the information.